Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through some of the most useful tools on the Dimension Toolbar in AutoCAD. We'll look at how each tool works and when to use them. So, by the end of this video, you'll be able to add professional, accurate dimensions to any drawing. Let's get started. The Linear Dimension Tool. Now, the linear dimension tool is used to measure straight distance, either horizontally or vertically. I'll select the linear command, click 2 points, and then place the dimension line. As you can see, AutoCAD automatically aligns it parallel to the X or the Y axis. This one is perfect for whether you're measuring lengths or heights. Align dimension. Up next, we have the Align Dimension tool. This tool measures the true distance between 2 points, no matter the angle. When I click 2 points along a slanted line, the dimension aligns perfectly with the angle. It's ideal for measuring diagonal or angled components. Coordinate dimension. Coordinate dimension tool displays the X and Y coordinates of a specific point. Once I click on a point in AutoCAD, it will show the exact location relative to the origin. You'll often use this form of dimensioning whenever you're, say, for example, mapping out precise reference points or plotting a site layout. Radius dimension. Radius dimension tool is used to measure the radius of a circle and arcs. When I click on the circle, AutoCAD automatically displays the letter R followed by the radius value. This is commonly used for curves, edges, and round features like holes or even a curved fillet. Diameter dimension. The diameter tool, on the other hand, measures the full width of a circle. I'll click on the same circle and you'll notice the time AutoCAD adds the diameter symbol followed by the diameter value. Angular dimension. The angular dimension tool measures the angle between two lines. I'll select both lines that forms an angle and AutoCAD will display the measurement in degrees. It's perfect for checking slopes, chamfers, or any other angled geometry. Baseline dimension. The baseline tool allows you to create a series of dimensions that all start from the same reference line or point. After the first dimension, I'll select baseline and select additional points. Each dimension measures from the same baseline, which makes it easy to show progressive distance. Continue dimension. The Continue tool, otherwise known as chain dimensioning, creates a set of connected dimensions. I'll select the existing dimension, then continue, clicking along the object. AutoCAD automatically links each new measurement in a neat chain. This is handy for parts that need sequential dimensions like steps or even slots. Leader. The Leader tool adds an arrow and a note to point out specific detail. I'll click where I want the arrow to start, drag out the leader line, and then type the note that I want. Leaders are great for labeling materials such as hole sizes or specific instruction that you want the reader to know. Tolerance. The Tolerance tool is used to specify how much variation is acceptable in a measurement. When I apply it to a dimension, AutoCAD adds upper and lower limits value. This is important for features for manufacturing and engineering drawings, where precision really matters. Center mark. The center mark tool places a small cross at the center of a circle or arc. I'll click on the circle and AutoCAD automatically adds the mark. It is useful for alignment and for showing the exact center of circular objects. Dimension Text Edit. Dimension Text Edit tools allows you to change or add notes to your dimension text. For example, I can click on a dimension, type in new text, or add a prefix like mm for millimeters, r for radius, or even a symbol such as the diameter symbol. These helps to clarify measurements and add extra detail to your drawing. Dimension style. Finally, we have the Dimension Style tool. This opens the Dimension Style Manager where you can customize the appearance of your dimensions. This includes text size, arrowhead style, and units. Setting up your own dimension styles keeps your drawing consistent and professional. And that's the Dimension Toolbar in AutoCAD. Each of these tools help you to communicate size, shape, and details clearly in your drawings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.